What's up, my family? So today I am doing a quick basketball mom type of deal. She came in here telling me how all the kids have the same book bags, all the kids have the same warm-up shirt. So everybody's like confusing each other's bags and stuff like that. So she asked me if I could put the numbers on the book bag and on the warm-up shirt. Now, the warm-up shirt is polyester, it's dry blend. Now the book bag, I'm hoping is not nylon. We're gonna try to press it. I had pressed book bags before and it worked fine for me. Hit you up with this intro. Let go of everything. Alright guys, thank you for watching that video. Now, first things first, I would like to thank all my subscribers that are coming back. If you're new to the channel, welcome. So pretty much, this is what we have going on. Let me flip you around. So this is the polyester shirt. Now, this is not Sizer or Caesar vinyl. I had to order this vinyl from Amazon to match the sport colors, that the team colors, I should say. So it was kind of actually, where is that piece? Oh, sorry. Let me come over here. Sorry about the mess. I've been busy this whole week. So yeah, this is the color that it is. Now the uniform has hot pink and a hot blue, but this was the closest I can get to that color. It was like a baby blue. Now it's white in the background, which I don't think that really matters. Now this is 302 at, I think, 10 to 15 seconds. So, and it's a cold peel. So we are going to see how that works out. But I mean, it's just a regular 4. So I'm hoping everything's already lined up. So let me put you over here and we can deal with this. I'm hoping that this comes out because I don't know what type of material this is for the book bag. And I'm kind of like, hey guys. So I'm kind of scared at the same time. I'm trying to stay positive because I've done it before, but the other one was more like a JanSport or a Nike book bag that is actually cloth. This feels more like a nylon, not a nylon, like a canvas material. It looks like it has prints on it already, but it might be screen printed on there. I don't know, but we're gonna try it and see. Now I try to curve in the zippers so that, let me move this. I try to tuck in the zippers so that way I don't burn them or anything, but for some reason it's not working for me. So I got a piece of board that I'm gonna put over it and hopefully it won't burn it. Like I said, guys, I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared here. I mean, I do have a Teflon sheet on the press already that never comes off. It's always on there. So the only thing that we could do is try to see. I already measured it out. I got 2.5 on each side. I got 1 inch and 1 inch from this to the rim. So let's see. I mean, all that could happen is I ruin it and I have to buy her a new book bag. All right, so let's press this and see what happens. 302 for 15 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. So I have it at 305, but my heat press fluctuates. Well, guys, it looked like it worked. It looked like it worked. Oh, it's a cold peel. See, I almost messed it up, guys. Good thing I caught myself. Ooh, but I smell it. Let me make sure the zipper's not burned up. All right, the zipper's not burned up, guys. So it looks like it was able to do it. So I'm just waiting for it to cool off. Once it cools off, I am gonna take off the transfer film and we are going to see if it actually stuck on or is it gonna come off. I'm not too worried about her putting this in a washing machine because they get a new bag every year for their team. So this is just going to be thrown around. But it was the closest I can get to that hot blue. And I'm sorry I'm not in the video, but I'd rather you guys see this because it was a little bit of a pain. I had to actually tuck it underneath my press. So right now, my legs for my press are inside the book bag. It looks like I was just taking my press and put it inside of a book bag. And it's crazy. So I'll show you guys as soon as I go to remove it. Well, it looks like it's stuck on there, guys. So it's still a little warm. I think I might want to wait a little bit longer. Maybe I should get a rag. Let me see if I have a cold rag or... Because when I need everything, it's never around, right? Never around. When you need something, it's never there. Never there. Because it says a cool peel. I mean, I'm touching it and it's not hot, so. And I do have a press pillow underneath the book bag, in between the book bag and the press. The reason why I did that, because inside this book bag is so thick. And it has so many grooves that I just said, you know what, let me just put it on there just to be on the safe side. I put the press pillow in there so that way, and also for the zipper too. So, and everything looks good here. I'm still waiting for this to cool off. I mean, I'm touching it, but I can still feel the hotness. It said cool peel, so I'm making sure I do it cold or cool, whatever. Because I don't usually buy this kind of vinyl. The vinyl I buy, I know it. I know how it works already. So moment of truth. Let's see. All right, guys, it's stuck on. It did stick on. So we look like we're doing pretty good here. I think I might hit it up one more time, which I probably know I shouldn't. Actually, you know what? I don't even think I need to hit it. That thing feels like rubber. It really feels like rubber, guys. Like I said, I don't mess with this vinyl, so I think it's good. Feels like rubber, but feels good. It's in there. It's stuck on. All right, guys, so that's it. I'm not even going to try to press it one more time. And you know my famous saying, I always do another press to make sure that it is what? In the threads. To make sure it's in there. But that feels... So now you're going to see me take this thing out. This thing was a pain to get in here. Take the press pillow out because I don't need this again. All right, so now it's the juggling. I have to lift up my press to get this thing out of here. I gotta say, guys, it looked like I was sticking the press inside the damn. I had to put my press on its back and shove it in there, as you can see. See, this is what I was talking about, all the linings and all the seams. I don't know if you can see that, all the seams and everything. So that's why I did it like that. So let me lay this down here so you guys can see. Make sure you guys can see that. So here's the colors. So that was the closest I can get to that hot pink. That was the closest. But it pretty much matches. I mean, even if I grab the scrap here, you can see what I'm talking about. Do you see that, guys? Maybe I should hold it up to the camera a little more. So if you can see that, that was the closest, because he didn't want pink. So he wanted this blue. So he wanted me to match that blue as close as possible. That was the closest I can get it, guys. And I had to buy this vinyl from Amazon. And I checked through all the Caesar sites. I checked everywhere. And I could not find for the life of me that color. So let me zip this up so you guys can see how it looks. I'm sorry, I'm not in the camera. I know I should. I'm trying to do all this with one hand and hold it at the top. So, I don't know if you can see that, guys, but that's the way it's gonna look. So it looks decent. Of course, the 4 is a little bit at an angle because the book bag's at an angle. The top goes down. But it looks good. Let me put it over here on this table. Guys, but I think it's in the fibers. If you can see it's in the thread, so, but I just don't like the way this is crumbling up like this. But I know it's the book bag because I can see, sorry guys, I can see in the book bag, see all the little air things. So I think it's the book bag itself. Yeah, it's the book bag itself. So it's not my actual design or something I did wrong. See, this is what I'm talking about. See these little, how it curls up here? That's what it's doing here. But it's in the fabric, so I don't want to keep heat pressing it. So let me get on to the shirt. So this is polyester, guys. I know this is gonna work. This always works good. Like this thing curls up so bad. So I just smooth it out as best as possible. Might want to pull it down just a hair. All right, that looks pretty good. So we're gonna go down with it. I forgot that this is set up for the book bag. Let me just tighten this up a little bit. Make sure that it's still down, because this paper, it was such on a tight roll that it wants to curl up. We're gonna let that sit for 15 seconds and hopefully that'll come out great. Then I can pick you guys back up. That's 15 seconds there. Now again, this is a cold peel, so I have to sit there and wait. Let's see what happens, right? Only the time will tell. Man, I really don't like this transfer tape. Oh, see? Nope. I didn't like the way that came out there. Think I might retack it for a little bit more, just really let it sit there. I didn't like the way that looked when it was coming off in the corner, so this is why I'm doing it for a couple seconds, just a couple seconds more. Then I'll sit there and let it cool off. Let me see if I find a rag well, so I can absorb some of this heat. Like I said, guys, I don't like using this material, man, so I'm hoping that this material lasts. I hope so. But anyway, you guys get the idea, you know, I'm just trying it out. The book bag came out pretty good. I want to say I don't like the vinyl. So maybe it's just the vinyl part about it. But I don't want to make this video too long. And yep, we're at 15 minutes. So guys, once again, thank you for watching. I appreciate everybody that comes to the channel to view. I have a couple other videos coming out pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. You're gonna want to watch it. So on this note, bless you all. Peace.